Hey guys, how's it going? Today we've got another cool horn battle. So we've got a raised letter K5LLA versus a raised letter K5HL. Now both of these horns are going to be your newest style. So they both have your arched Nathan Airchime on the back cap. So that's going to be 2014 and up. This particular horn is a 2018 year model horn. It is brand new. It's never been in service. I got it brand new, so it's only been blown by me. This K5LLA is actually a 2021 model horn, so it's brand new as well. It's never been in service either. Both really good sounding horns. Your K5LLA is going to be a little higher pitched than your K5HL. Now the K5LLA, it's a lower pitched horn than a regular K5LLA. The K5LLA, it has a 1L, a 1, a 2, a 3A, and a 4A. Your K5HL has a 1L, a 1, a 2, a straight 3, and a straight 4. So you've got a 3A and a 4A on this horn, whereas you have just a 3 and a 4 on this horn. So that's the difference. Other than this is on a high mount manifold, this is on a low mount. So anyway, y'all go ahead and enjoy this. This is the Nathan Airchime K5LLA versus the Nathan Airchime K5HL.